Hi, I'm Ginger Jenks with Prodigy Homes, and I'm going to go through this home, the Interlude bonus, and go over some of my favorite features. Here in the kitchen, one of my favorite things is how they did the two-tone cabinets. I like how this pulls in the counter over here, and then the backsplash looks really great with the island. And I really like that we've moved away from all white kitchens or just white and black, because this kitchen will be very timeless. It will always look great. Here in the dining room, one of my favorite things is the way that this is set up is a round table. Fits really, really well, and it matches really well with the light fixture, and then we did the mirror to make it all blend. The best feature by far is the vaulted ceiling and then these faux wood beams. Another item is when you walk in from the front door, your eye immediately goes to the backyard with these large windows, and it just makes everything seem bigger, more grand, and all the natural light makes everything really beautiful. One of the best features in the Interlude bonus that we don't have in any of our other plans as a standard is as soon as you walk in the front door, you have these 16-foot high ceilings. They make the house feel grand and open and airy right off the bat.